Look at this maple tree, how color is changing. So we are nearly end of the fall, winter is beginning. I am feeling cold, guys. It's almost like 3:40 in the day, in the afternoon, and feeling bit cold. The winter is coming. This is the beginning of the winter, and still we have a greenery. Maybe within 2 or 3 months, end of the November or beginning of the January, the leaves of the trees will fall down and it will be dried up. Now it's pretty good. The weather was pretty good. It's like 16 degree, I guess, 16-17 degree in the day, and in the night it was like 8 to 9, 8 to 11 degree. Pretty cold. Right now it's pretty cold here, okay? Not freezing, but cold. If you are coming Canada for January, for winter, if you are coming in winter, then you need to bring your clothes, warm clothes with you, and maybe 1 or 2 snow boots and gloves and winter socks, you know, and thermo to wear inside. And if you don't want to carry too much stuff, then don't worry, just bring some cash or bring some valance with you. You can buy it over here. You will get everything in reasonable price over here. Boots, jackets, you know, feathers jackets, gloves, everything you will get it over here. So don't worry about it. If you don't want to carry lots of things, then you don't need to bring those things. Otherwise, you have to bring few jackets with you and few warm clothes. Maybe a hoodie will be fine to protect your head as well. You know, when cold wind hit your head, you're gonna feel headache. So you need to bring such as hoodies or hats if you like hats. Okay, so if you bring some cash with you, you don't need to worry about anything. You'll get everything over here. All right, you don't need to bring any food from your home. Most of the Asian country, from whoever coming from the Asian country, they used to bring lots of food over here. You don't need to bring over food from your own country. You can able to find out everything over here. The Chinese food in Chinese stores, Indian in Indian, Bangladeshi in Bangladeshi. We have lots of different store over here for different people, so you don't need to worry about it. And for the Nepalese as well, you have a bunch of Nepalese store over here, so you can find everything over here, so you don't need to worry about it at all. So yeah, just bring some winter clothes with you if you are coming here in winter, in Jan sessions. All right, bring some money with you. All right, as soon as you landed over here, you're not gonna get the job as you expected. It will take a time. Maybe for few people it will gonna take more than months, several months. So you have to bring some backup with you. Means backup, you know, cash or whatever to sustain over here. And I have already made several video about how much we have to spend over here to survive. It will cost you almost like $1,200 to $1,500 depending on your expenses. All right, so yeah, for one student or for one person, at least you have to spend $1,000 to $1,200 for just to survive over here. All right, I'm not including your expenses on clothing, expenses on traveling, eating elsewhere. All right, going out, hanging, party, but I'm, you know, including the basic needs on it: the food, the transportation, your rent. All right, if you're planning to live in a sharing room, then it will cost you almost like $500 to $700. Otherwise, if you want to take a private, it will cost you $800 to $1,200, $1,500, $2,000. It depends on the facility and the room where you are taking. So yeah, So you don't need to worry about it at all if you have a, willing to come here and do some struggle by your own. So you don't need to worry about that at all. Just bring some cash with you, some backup money, which will gonna help you to sustain over here until you'll get the job. All right, for part-time job here, the situation is a bit difficult. I have made lots of video about it, and I don't have a time these days to make a video. So currently I'm working 5 days in a week, and I got only 2 days. So that 2 days, I most of the time I spend for to do my own stuff. All right, to take rest and all. So whenever I got the time, I'm creating a video for you guys. And so yeah, if you are coming here in winter, then you must bring some winter clothes. If you don't want to bring it, that's okay. All right, that's okay. You can buy it over here, and you can find everything over here in an affordable cost. Most of the people think that here in Canada the thing will be much more costly, but it's similar like in our own country, like India or some Asian country, some Nepal or Pakistan, Bangladesh or somewhere else. The cost is like almost similar, so you don't need to worry about the cost. And maybe the materials that you gonna buy it over here will be much more durable, or with much more quality, so you don't need to worry about it. Just bring some cash with you to sustain over here for at least 6 months. All right, and yeah, and everything will be okay. All right, everything will be okay. Try to build up some networking. Okay, networking is most important thing here in Canada or anywhere else in Western country. All right, if you have a network, if you have a referral, you'll get the job instantly. Otherwise, you have to you have to take your time and spread resume everywhere, and you have to try until you'll get one. So yeah, that's the procedure. And life will move on. Life will move on. No matter what, you need to move on, and you don't need to worry about it. Don't think a lot. Make it simple. Okay, don't make it complicated. Life is so simple. We are here to live and survive, live peacefully, live in harmony. So yeah, try to do that. I don't need to worry about it at all. Don't worry, everything is gonna be okay. So love yourself, love your family, love this world, enjoy the life. That's it. And I'm not wearing glasses today, so I'm feeling weird, and I can't open my eyes. I can wide open my eyes. I don't have a habit to go out without my glasses, sunglasses basically. So yeah guys, see you in next video. And till then, bye bye. If you have any queries about the Canada, you may able to ask with me in comment. I'll try to make another video. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So I don't have lots of things to talk about it, but yeah, if you are coming here in Canada, don't worry about it. You just need to bring some backup with you. That's it. Everything you will get it over here, and the food, the clothes, everything, whatever you want will be available over here. All right, we have a different store, so don't worry about it. See you in next video guys. If you have any queries, just leave the comment. All right, I'll try to make another video in that topic, or I'll try to reply it as soon as possible. See you. Live the life guys.